Hello everyone, welcome to Charisma. What I have here is a practical waste. It's the top of the broken flower pot. I'm going to use it as a DreamCatcher ring. Let's convert this into this. So as I do always, I'm covering it with the wool. I'm using my same favorite wool. If by any chance you want to purchase it, please comment me. I'll link the Amazon link in the comment section. Keep wrapping the wool around the ring and cover the entire ring so that it gives a fuller, nicer ring for weaving the Dreamcatcher. The ring is ready now for weaving. The wool had so many colors in it, it's effortlessly giving me a very pretty look by itself. Take a blunt needle and pass the same wool of the length approximately 5 to 6 times the circumference of this ring. Let's start weaving. Tie one end of the wool on the ring and gently slide the knot to the middle part of the ring. Now hold the thread with one hand and pass the needle from under the ring and make a knot. Gently slide it to the middle. Now repeat the same step, like holding the thread in the left hand and passing the needle from under the ring to make another knot on the ring. Try to make the knot approximately at the same length. You don't need to be exactly precise, but try to make it approximately equal. Repeat the same step till you reach where you started. Now, on one strand of the wool, we will make 2 knots. Pass your needle like this. This will make a knot. One is done. Similarly, make another knot over here. And this is the second one. Now for the next strand, also we'll do the same. We'll make 2 knots on the strand. Here is the first one. And the second one. Repeat the same for the entire circumference for one time. Now one round is complete. Now next step is to catch each of these loops one by one and make knot throughout this ring. Here I am passing the needle, catching this loop, and I am making a knot. Same with the next loop. I'll catch this loop and make one knot in the middle. That's it. You have to follow only this step repeatedly till you reach the very center of the ring. Secure the end knot with some clear nail paint. Clip off the extra thread from it. I'm using this stick-on beads now. Now add tassels from the same wool. Clip it to shape from bottom. and your dream catcher is ready. I hope you liked watching and making one for yourself. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.